Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to make a shopping cart on Google site. So guys, go to insert option. After that, scroll down. You find this option button, click this one and write your name of the button. For example, shopping cart, as you can see here guys. And from here add your link, as you can add a special link to redirect your cart and click paste. After that, click insert, and from here, as you can see, I added successfully shopping cart link. And what you have to do, guys, you can write the style from here, and you added a color, for example, line. And as you can see here, you can you can add color, for example, this color, and choose this type of color. And this is how you can add it successfully, guys, without any problem. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching.